I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right essential oil diffuser without breaking the bank. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. From cozy nights at home to zen moments in the office, let's dive into the top 5 budget-friendly essential oil diffusers that deliver quality without the hefty price tag.
Product number 1, Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser 500 milliliters. When I first unboxed the Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser, I was struck by its sleek design. The vibrant yellow color instantly brightened up my living space. Setting it up was a breeze. Just fill the 500 milliliter water tank, add a few drops of my favorite essential oil, and plug it in. I was amazed by how quickly it filled the room with a soothing aroma. One of the standout features is the remote control. I can adjust the mist settings and change the LED colors without getting up, which is perfect for those lazy evenings. The ultra-quiet fan means I can have it running while I sleep without any disturbance. The timer settings, 60, 120, or 180 minutes, offer flexibility, and I love that it turns off automatically when the water runs out. The Asakuki diffuser is versatile and works well in various settings, whether it's my bedroom, office, or even during yoga sessions. However, I did notice that the mist could be a little stronger, especially for larger rooms. The remote control is a double-edged sword. While convenient, I sometimes misplace it. Still, the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're looking for an affordable diffuser that checks all the boxes, style, functionality, and safety, this is it. I wholeheartedly recommend the Asakuki Essential Oil Diffuser for anyone seeking a reliable aromatic companion in their home.
Product number 2, Sulking Essential Oil Diffuser 100 ml. The Sulking Essential Oil Diffuser caught my eye for its compact design. At first glance, it looks like a simple device, but don't let its size fool you. I placed it on my work desk, and within minutes, I could feel the calming sense enveloping me. The one-button operation is a game changer. I didn't have to fumble with complicated settings. It's perfect for my small office, but I also took it home to use in my bedroom. The warm yellow light adds a cozy ambiance, making it feel like a mini sanctuary. Safety features like the automatic shutoff give me peace of mind, especially when I forget to check the water level. While it's not the most powerful diffuser, it does an impressive job for its size. I wish it had more mist settings, but honestly, for the price, it's a steal. If you need a portable, user-friendly diffuser that doesn't compromise on quality, the Sulking diffuser is a fantastic choice. I find myself using it more than I anticipated, and it's become a staple in my relaxation routine.
Product number 3, Asakuki Essential Oil Blends. I've always been a fan of essential oils, so I was eager to try the Asakuki Essential Oil Blends. The set includes 6 different blends, each designed for specific benefits, from calming the mind to boosting immunity. I started with the Happy blend, and I was surprisingly uplifted by its aroma. The quality of these oils is exceptional. They don't contain any additives, which is crucial for me. I've used them not just in my diffuser, but also for DIY candles and even in bath time rituals. The amber glass bottles come with droppers, making it easy to get the right amount. However, I did notice that some scents were stronger than others, which can be a hit or miss depending on your preference. Despite this, I love that they offer a variety of options for different moods. If you're looking to explore the world of aromatherapy, this set is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The Asakuki Essential Oil Blends are a fantastic investment for anyone wanting to enhance their well-being with natural scents. Product number 4, InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser. The InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser quickly became my favorite due to its elegant design and functionality. The first time I used it, I was captivated by the gentle mist it produced. I love the 2 mist settings. The intermittent mode is perfect for nighttime use as it can run for hours without needing a refill. The LED lights are a delightful touch, allowing me to create a serene environment that matches my mood. Whether I want soft lighting for bedtime or a vibrant glow for a relaxing evening, this diffuser delivers. One downside I noticed is that it can be a bit tricky to clean, especially if you're switching between different oils often. However, the overall experience is worth it. The InnoGear diffuser is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also performs exceptionally well. It's a great addition to my home, and I believe it would be an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish diffuser.
Product number 5. Asakuki 300 ml Essential Oil Diffuser. When I came across the Asakuki 300 ml Essential Oil Diffuser, I was intrigued by its versatility. I set it up in my living room and was delighted by its performance. The 7 LED color options allowed me to customize the atmosphere, whether I wanted something calming for meditation or vibrant for a gathering. The 300 ml tank is perfect for larger spaces, and the multiple mist settings let me control how intense the aroma should be. I particularly appreciate the auto shutoff feature, which gives me peace of mind when I leave it running while I'm out. The only minor con I found is that it can be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. However, if you're looking for a reliable diffuser that's both stylish and efficient, the Asakuki 300 ml is a fantastic option. It's a thoughtful gift idea for friends and family who appreciate aromatherapy, and I can't recommend it enough.
In conclusion, these top 5 budget essential oil diffusers provide great value without compromising on quality. From the Asakuki models to the Salking and InnoGear, there's something for everyone. If you're looking to create a soothing atmosphere in your home or office, any of these choices will serve you well. Happy diffusing!